Many companies across industries need to have a very structural way of controlling their projects. They must be able to track their deliverables with full traceability of every change that was made before approving and moving to the next phase. In Minerva PLM, we are enabling the phase gate process to track a project from conception to launch with a link to real deliverables like documents, parts, and CAD items, just to mention a few examples. With the Project Change Management application, you're able to capture all changes made to the project or to any deliverable related to that project, enabling full traceability that also adheres to any regulatory obligation. Connect all your PLM data like parts, documents, and CAD items and manage them in a specific structure of the documentation with advanced template features inside Minerva PLM. Harmonize how you do project and deliverable management by creating projects with the exact same phases and deliverables across the entire company.